everybody. I just wanted to show you one of my newest listings. This is a house. It's got a Gaithersburg address, but it's actually in the Damascus High School District. And this beautiful room is the master bedroom. Isn't it just beautiful? I just want to show you this gorgeous master bath. And I want you to see this view outside the windows. Isn't that just beautiful? Wouldn't you just love to soak in this tub after a long day at work? So I'm going to be having an open house here on Sunday, and I would love for you to stop by. And if you know anybody that you think this might be a good match for, let me know, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.